India's airports that have turned into waiting rooms of despair at the moment. With over 1,000 Indigo flights that were cancelled in a day, thousands of flyers were left stranded, frustrated and helpless. The human cost of this fiasco, that is staggering. Take a look at this report.
Indigo, hey, hey! Indigo, hey, hey!
Airports across India left in utter chaos. Families stranded, children sleeping on floors.
She's pregnant!
Passengers left waiting for hours with no clarity. Indigo, India's biggest airline, is at the center of one of the biggest aviation breakdowns in history. Students forced to miss their exams.
We came in Kolkata for the B.Ed examination. But after reaching the airport, we got notification that our flight had been cancelled.
Bride and groom forced to attend their own wedding reception online.
I have with me a champion.
And athletes left stranded after competitions with nothing but their medals.
Who has an exam, wants to serve the banking sector in the country but cannot go back home. I've met with mothers today, with toddlers, with them, don't know what to feed them, where to go, what to do.
From Delhi to Mumbai and from Chennai to Kolkata, flyers who trusted Indigo are now stuck in unending queues. No answers, no accountability, only cancelled flights and delayed schedules.
This does not look like an airport. This is an endless, long line that is going where I really do not know. Everywhere, let's just pan from right all the way to the left. Just look at the amount of people who are here, stuck here for several hours, people who are going for emergencies, sometimes for joy, but no clarity yet on what is going to happen.
Flyers stuck at airports are scrambling to return home and are now taking any possible route. Some of them left with no choice but to travel from Delhi to Chennai via Singapore.
Not a single Indigo flight has essentially taken off from the airport today, and that's had a horrendous knock-on effect on the other domestic carriers as well. Every flight's overbooked. Everyone wants to get to the same places, but there just isn't enough of a supply right now. I'm going to Chennai, flying via Singapore. My most recent ticket, which is Delhi to Singapore, Singapore to Chennai, was about 650 quid, which is about 65,000 rupees.
As Indigo drags feet, flyers are furious. At Kolkata Airport, stranded passengers said they haven't been provided any food or accommodation amidst the crisis.
We can see this is the ticket counter of Indigo, the reservation ticketing center. But right now the people over here are not much satisfied with the services that is provided by the Indigo right now. I will show you what is going on inside the counter, because there is only two people over there, one lady and one gentleman over there, those who are working. But right now the queue is very big, and right now the people over here all are facing many problems, and few are with the children, few are with the senior citizens. And also in Kolkata airport there is over 500 flights. Those who are delayed and also being cancelled is about 150.
Passengers across the country have risen in protest. They say apologies won't fly.
Flight cancel is not just a loss on the ticket. इट इज़ अ लॉस ऑफ द होल प्लान ऑफ द पीपल। अगर आप देखोगे पूरे उनके प्लान खराब हो रहे हैं। बिजनेस साइड से बिग इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है। बिजनेस वालों को जो बिजनेस ट्रैवल करे तो स्टक हो गए।
मेरी वाइफ की फ़्लाइट बुक किया था रायपुर से मुंबई, वो कैंसिल हो गई। अभी जो मुंबई से रायपुर की उनकी फ़्लाइट थी, रिटर्न फ़्लाइट बुक थी, वो कैंसिल कराने मैं आया हूँ टू मेक श्योर कि वो दे गिव फुल रिफंड एंड you know, otherwise they will deduct from that. If you, first of all, they are not available online now. Customer
ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल नहीं
nahi hai. Customer care and all, everything, nothing. They don't pick up the phone, nothing. They are completely collapsed.
The Aviation Ministry has now ordered an inquiry. But for flyers who missed funerals, job interviews and medical emergencies, the move comes as too little, too late.
My visa interview was at 8 a.m. and it's not just me. Like there were like bunch of us who were waiting for the visa interview on that flight. Every one of us got delayed.
Indigo's massive meltdown is a wake-up call for the aviation industry that was brought to its knees due to one airline's internal chaos. With Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor in Delhi and Anirban Sinha in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.